Hey guys, welcome back to the General's Workshop. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 5 different DIY storage ideas that come from my own shop. And each one of these solves a real problem and it blends seamlessly into the shop. Now, for some of you, they might be thinking, well, are you just trying to show off clever builds? And the answer is kind of. But more importantly, I want to try to inspire those of you who feel like you've run out of room, you've run out of space, you have no more opportunities. Because if you are willing to be a little bit creative and you're able to rethink what storage likely looks like, well, then you probably have a lot more space than what you think. So with that being said, let's get started. It looks like a part of my workbench until you pull the pin and it folds down. This flip down platform is actually a built-in dog bed for my Black Lab Braun. When it's not in use, it sits flush with the bench. And when it's down, it gives him a place of rest while I work. Hidden beneath my upper cabinets is a slim pull-out tip-down drawer system that slides forward and locks into place. It's perfect for quick access items, perfect for long, narrow tools that you use often and you want to protect. Now, for me, I keep my woodpeckers, my measuring gear in here, my squares, my saddle tees, my marking tools, all set into the Kaizen foam for an easy grab and go kind of access. It's clean, a low profile way to store precision tools without sacrificing wall and drawer space. Have you ever thought about raising part of your space? Whether it's like a theater style seating in the basement, a cozy corner in your garage, or you're just wanting to define a zone in one of your large rooms, do not overlook the opportunity that's underneath. Platforms like this aren't just for looks, they can double as serious storage. When I built my raised stage, I wasn't just solving an aesthetic problem, I was also solving a storage one too. Underneath the stage, specifically in my case, is long-term and bulk item storage, such as full sheets of plywood and different miscellaneous items. Built into the front face are boards that slide out for quick access tasks. The rear guard wall, well, we'll get to that in a minute. But this platform anchors the room and it hides a ton of useful space. And it could do the same for your space too. What looks like a simple railing at the back of the stage is actually a hidden pop-up dartboard. It pulls straight up out of the frame when you're ready to play. And then it slides back down out of sight when you're not. That rear wall doubles as a safety railing as well as a hidden game zone without wasting any precious space. Now, for some of you, darts may not be your thing, but the idea still works. You could mount a whiteboard for sketching out your builds or configuring designs and slide it out of sight when you're done. Or you could swap it for corkboard and you could pin your plans, reference sheets, or notes that you don't necessarily want on display all the time. Really, it's a flexible spot that can match your space and your style. Guys, I want to be honest, this is one of my favorite storage options that I have. And from the outside, you might think that this Western themed ceiling in my man cave is just for looks. But hidden above is a secret trapdoor that swings down, giving me full access to a full loft space. In my case, I use it for storage, and it's also a tuck-away sleeping area. Most people think that storage is defined in terms of floor space or wall shelves. Maybe up to about 8 feet, but in my shop, it has 12-foot ceilings, so the last 4 feet is often completely wasted space. By building upwards, I gained approximately 72 square feet of usable space that I didn't have before, without touching the main footprint of the shop. So guys, ceiling space might not be the first thing that you think of for storage, but it should be. At first glance, it looks like a normal place to hang out, a Western style bar with stools, maybe a place to kick back after a long day in the shop. But just like everything else around here, there's more to it. The top flips open like an old school desk, revealing hidden storage built right into the surface. Perfect for tucking away things that you don't use every day or keeping the top clutter-free. And over at the end of the bar, there's a side panel that opens up to store larger and more kind of odd-shaped items, the stuff that never really fits anywhere else. And on the opposite end, there's an actual storage for my sound system and my subwoofer for the entertainment center. Now, this one's fun, but it's functional too. Proof that even your hangout zone can hide a little extra utility if you plan ahead. So when it comes to storage space, when you saw the different ones that I just did, absolutely every single one of these came from a real need. And honestly, a little bit of creativity and creative thinking allowed them to come to be. Now, if you're designing your own space, just ask yourself, what is not being used yet? Not being used yet. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what was your favorite build on this, and shoot dang, thanks for hanging out again with the General on the General's Workshop.